You have watched so many videos on YouTube about reviving your dead Instagram account, but none of them was useful. But the main question is your account actually dead or you are going in the wrong direction to find the actual problem? Maybe there are other factors that are affecting your content to reach wider audience. So it is important to understand the actual problem in order to find its proper solution, which can give you good results. And I can help you in that. Few months ago, I was facing the same problem. Whatever I post, original or reuse, it didn't work. Then after researching a lot, I came across these problems which were killing my growth. And the last one is the most common mistake that everybody does. This is the mistake everybody does, from big creator to small creator. That's inconsistent posting. Whenever you post content, Instagram shows content to those people who are online at that time. But if you post every day at random time, your past audience will be offline. In result, algorithm will not give reach to your video, and if you do it again and again, algorithm thinks that your content sucks. Now if you are posting consistently but doing it multiple times a day will trigger Instagram that you are spamming. And here comes another point, over posting content.
Bro, my Instagram guru is posting multiple times a day and still no bad effect on his growth.
Wait, listen to me. You can post it as many as content on your Instagram you want, but make sure don't lower the quality of the content. It should be engaging to the viewer. If you have increased the quality of your content but you are posting videos about different topic, then all your hard work is ruined. And here comes another point, not sticking to a niche. Posting content about the same topic or niche can be boring. That's why I'm advising you to select a niche for which you are passionate about so that you can provide value and also not get bored for a long run. Now you would be having a good niche and you started creating content about it and exported your video. Now can you spot the difference between these two content? Right, it's the quality of the video. Here's the other mistake, low quality videos. If you want to get the stock videos, you can use Pixabay. If you are using your phone, try to get good lighting and make sure to export your video in minimum 1080p quality. Look at these popular creators' content. Do you see any similarity across their reels? They are always using their own voice or their face in the video to build authenticity of their content. It helps user to recognize the content very easily. If you are not getting any reach, the another reason could be your content is about a boring topic that's not in the trend. And if you want to find a content that is trending, you need to follow the creator who are posting in the same niche. Let's imagine you have find the trending content, but what if you have a poor hashtag strategy? Hashtags are not very important nowadays, but still they add a small boost to your content if used properly. You need to create 3 sets of hashtags, each with 25 to 27 tags that are relevant to your niche. Use these 3 sets across your content and the one which performs the best, use that. Now how would you react if a viewer tries to interact with you through comment?
Yo, very easy. Instantly I will go and reply to his comment.
That's the mistake you make replying instantly.
Then what do you want? We should ignore the engagement.
No, you need to reply to the comment when you have posted your next content. In this way the viewer will get a notification and will also check out your recent videos too. Just think about it. After watching your video, a small creator has messaged you regarding you doing a collaboration and you refused it because you don't want to share your audience. But that's the other mistake you are making, because you are losing an opportunity to present your channel to a newer audience. Now let's assume you have done a good collaboration, but what about getting more reach? So here comes the other mistake, not engaging with others' account. If you engage with other account by doing comments on their content, you are indirectly stealing views and even followers. Because when you do a comment, there is a higher chance that the viewer will also come to your page. Now many of you will be getting 0 views on your Instagram account, even if you are posting consistently. This is the biggest problem that everyone faces, and I face it too. No one over the internet telling the actual solution to this problem, but after doing many try and testing, I got the solution. Look, if you create a new account on Instagram and directly start posting, the Instagram thinks that you are a bot and don't give you reach. So to avoid that, you need to use Instagram newly created account as a normal account for like a week. Do comment, watch reels and scrolls, and after a week, your 0 views problem will be solved. If you have solved your 0 views problem and getting good views, but what about getting more engagement? And here comes the biggest mistake that even the big creators make. no call to action. It is like forcing your audience to perform some actions which leads to more engagement. If you do it correctly, you can kill the game. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but by following these steps, you will gradually see your account come back to life. So these were the points which work really well to avoid your account getting dead. But Instagram sucks because they don't pay for views, but YouTube does. And I suggest you to check out this video where I took a challenge to grow a YouTube short channel.